This one is a camping stove,
Which is on.
pretty much whenever you go to use this one, this one's a little bit bulkier, but it's a little lighter than the other one. You'll have to hook a propane bottle to this, so with this one you're kind of limited on your cooking time. With the silver fire, you can basically don't run out as long as you have wood, leaves, or anything like that. So with this one, it's got 2 burners on it, so you can, well, it's actually got 1 burner and a grill. You can put 2 pots on this one. You put more on it, but like I said, you have a limited source of fuel. With this one, you can adjust it. It runs off propane. You've got the burner here. This one don't seem to be entirely as portable as the other one. Let me take this cover off. Like I said, with this one you can run out of gas, and with the 1 pound bottle that's hooked to this one, you'll probably cook them twice a day, only get a couple days cooking out of it. The gas really don't last long with these ones. When it comes to the 2, me myself, I would prefer the silver fire, because like I said, with the Coleman stove, the camper stove, you can run out of fuel quite easily. With the other one, you have any source of any kind of wood, anything like that, you'll have basically an unlimited supply of fuel. Both are convenient to have. The only thing is that with the camper stove, you run a risk of running out of fuel to cook with. And I